Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about beautiful lace trims which you can attach it to your Punjabi salwar kameez or salwar suits to beautify it even more. You could add pipings, buttons, mirror laces, gota patti laces in gold color and silver color. In general, be it any form, be it a glamorous lace or a thin gold lace or a fat lace with pearls or embellishments for that matter, play a very important and vital role in the Punjabi and salwar kameez. Women in the north love it when they get it stitched and make additions to the salwar kameez by adding beautiful and colorful lace additions. So if you are a salwar kameez lover like we are, then you can totally get inspired from these beautiful and gorgeous ideas and get a beautiful Punjabi suit stitch with these ideas for this year and make this 2020 a party season with your creativity and innovativeness. You don't have to get exactly the same pattern or choose exactly the same lace. Just an idea or getting inspired is more than enough. Just pick a design which you like and get something similar, the fabric or the lace, and get it stitched. You could go for full sleeve with lace trim just at the hemline and at the neckline, or you could go for lace trim at the neckline with the sleeves. It looks really pretty. You could get it done from a good boutique, a local boutique or a local tailor. And these laces are easily available in the market. You don't have to worry about not finding them. And it is best to buy it offline and not online, because when you buy it offline, you get it at a cheaper rate when compared to when you buy it online. Yes, these laces are available even online. I will leave the links in the description box. If you want to buy them online, you can go and buy them online. So yeah, if you have a black color suit in your mind or a pink color, you'll get an idea as to what kind of laces and what kind of patterns you can go along and get it done, and what kind of dupatta patterns and what kind of dupatta laces you can carry with your salwar kameezes. And these are they look pretty in girls and women and old women. So yeah, there's no like age barrier. They look pretty on almost any age group. So you must give it a try. Also, you could if it is a printed dress, it does not have to be a plain dress. Yeah, plain dress looks really pretty when done with lace trims, but even printed dresses look really pretty when they are decorated and beautified with lace trims. You could also add tassel laces, but tassel laces bring a fun and youthful vibe. If you want a more classified and sophistication vibe, you can go for gota patti. But if you want a more festive look rather than plain look, then it is best to go for sequined lace trims or embellished lace trims or embroidered lace trims. You can also go for such tassel lace trims. They look really pretty, as you can see. Tassel lace trims with sequins, the below in triple tire look really pretty. You can also go for lace accessories like you get embroidered patches in floral shapes or many other shapes. You can also get them attached to your salwar kameez to give it a more beautiful look. Also, it is very important that whatever lace you are adding in your salwar and your kameez, to put the same exact lace on the dupatta, either be it a small strip or a large strip, because that kind of balances the whole outfit and makes it look like brings everything in sync. It does not look like you have picked up 3 pieces, but it looks like you have put in a lot of effort and gelled even the dupatta. So yeah, that is also very important, and one must keep that in mind. But if it's okay if you don't have a dupatta with the salwar kameez, You can even add carry a net dupatta, because the lace is already being so pretty. You don't need a more grander dupatta. But if you have a plain dress, I suggest that you go for a more beautiful booty net dupatta, or a dupatta which has a little glamour in it. You can see when embroidered, when you have plain embroidered dresses, then strips of beautiful lace trims just take your whole outfit to another level. So yeah, if you have a white outfit or a black outfit, you can already you can go for contrast colored buttons, like fabric buttons, and go for the same, whatever fabric you have, you go for that same lining on your dupatta to complete the whole look. One of the favorite lace trends which is really popular in Punjabi suit, and which is going to be trend almost throughout 2020 and even coming more years, is the golden lace, be it cutout lace or a golden mirror lace, or it be it shades of golden laces, or golden, like this triple golden mirror laces. They're never gonna go out of trend because they look pretty with any kind of color, any kind of outfit. So yeah, if you are not sure as to what kind of lace trims which will go with your outfit, be it a velvet one or a georgette one or a silk one, you can always pick up gold color laces. I do hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.